This podcast is produced by the Harwood Productions Podcast Network. To learn more about the network and to find more of our shows, visit us online at www.harwoodpodcast.com.
All right, so I'm here at NLU Products booth, maker of the Bodyguard's iPhone and iPod Touch protector. I've been a huge fan of these guys for a while. I actually have one on my iPod Touch here. Been going on some hard use for about 8 months and very little wear and tear on the guy. But I understand you're introducing a new product.
We are. We're introducing the Screen Guards privacy product. Screen Guards is one of our one of our products that we've had. It's actually our oldest product line. It's a very complementary product to the Bodyguards line. One of the big differences we have with our privacy film is most of the privacy films that are on the market right now are a two-way privacy. One of the things that we've done is we've gone in and we've gone to a four-way privacy. Big difference between the products is most products that are out there in privacy are two-way, like I said, and they have vertical louvers, which means that at this angle when you're looking at the phone, when you start to turn it, as you're looking at it straight on, you can see it, but as it moves, then it'll start to knock it out.
Right.
Okay? But the difference in our product with the four-way, when you go to into landscape mode, if the louvers are only moving on the vertical axis and you go horizontal with it, you can still see the image. Well, the way we've got it set here is now as you're looking at it, as soon as you start turning it, it'll block it out that way as well.
Yeah, that's really impressive. I mean, I'm just looking at it from this angle and I can barely see anything on the screen.
Well, at a 30-degree off center is when it'll start knocking out vision. So if you're sitting on an airplane and you're looking at it, and somebody starts looking over your shoulder, as soon as they see it at 30-degree angle, knocks it out so they won't be able to see it. So anything, if you were looking at movies or if you got any personal information, banking, anything like that, it'll take that and knock that information so they can't see it.
That's really awesome. And also, it looks like it's the same style of cover where it's really flat against the screen, almost like not raised at all.
Exactly. And what we've done with that is we make sure that the privacy film is cut specific to the device. So it's not just a square piece. It actually is going to fit specific to each phone or each device that we cover.
Got it. So if the home button has a hole there, along with the earpiece, and got it.
Exactly. So that's the Screen Guards privacy, and it's available now. We have it on about 10 different devices right now, but here at Macworld, of course, we've got it for the iPhone, 3G, and 3GS.
Awesome. And how much will that run customers?
These run $19.95.
Great. Fantastic.
Available at screenguards.com.
You guys should definitely go check it out.
Thank you.
So we're here at Western Digital. Now, Western Digital is basically my choice for hard drives. That's just me personally, both internal and external. We have several of the previous generation of these guys. This is the MyBook 3.0. Now, what's really interesting about these drives is that you can get them with standard USB 2.0, FireWire, eSATA, but they also have this new version here, the MyBook 3.0, that has USB 3.0. So if you have a computer that supports USB 3.0, you have the right drivers, you have a card for it, you can plug this thing in and get better performance than even external SATA. So these things will be blazingly fast. Some of their other hard drives have features like an E-label, which is basically kind of like an e-ink display that always, even when the drive isn't powered, displays the name of the drive, as well as its capacity, how much space is being used, how much space is available. Really cool stuff. Check them out, westerndigital.com.